Hey, hello folks there. Welcome to my channel Tech Era. Today I'm going to show you the first program of our basic programming and problem solving series. That's the Hello World of Programming in Python language. So I'll open my VS Code IDE. So in the previous video I showed you how to select the interpreter. So Python, there are two versions available, but as my system is 64-bit and the 3.9.6 is the latest version in the market, I will select this interpreter and it will be shown into your status bar. So also, as part in the previous video, we had added the Python extension, Python programming extension in our IDE. So I will just start with the by creating a new file here. So select a language to get started. Yeah, we can select a language based on your requirements. We have already integrated and configured the Python, so we will just search for Python here and click enter. So the first program, it has a first program is just we can write print brackets hello world. So there's a point here. So Python is a free text language. You can there's not a specific format like we use for the other programming language like C. In the end of the line we have mandatory to end with the semicolon, or in Java we have to that is format strict. This is not format strict. Python we don't have to follow any particular pattern except for the loops and the statements, but for the general print statement we can write as it is. So I will just run this first statement so we can start run without debugging. Yeah, we have to save this file here. Okay, it's throwing an error here. PowerShell. I will just add my git bash as the terminal here. So as part of this I will first save this program. I will save this file as, let me local hello.py. As we are dealing in Python, so the extension that we follow for the Python is .py. Save as type, we can just Python extension is save as type Python save. Now the file name is configured to hello.py. I have already integrated my git as the terminal. You can choose n number of terminals here. The we available in the system are JavaScript debug terminal. Can use the local command prompt. By default it's PowerShell, but I will show in the coming videos how to configure the git bash and how to install the git bash and to integrate it in your IDE. So we have wrote the statement. Now we'll just press run, start F5. Yeah, so we can run it without debugging also. Here is our first statement, that is we just print the hello world. This is the first program. So as we can see in the terminal, we have the output as hello world. So basically the feature of debugging is that in case of any errors, it will just point the line of error so that you can debug it for the future use. But this is the simple line here, simple line of simple script here, line of code here. So we don't need to debug as it is error free this time. But when we go for the future videos in which I'll show you the programs that are with many paragraphs or scripts of say 10 or 12 lines at a time, this run and start debugging thing will be very helpful. Let me run again. I will show you this time without debugging. Yeah, so it printed the hello world here. So this is our first program, how to start with the hello world in the Python programming. So stay tuned for more videos. In the next videos I'll going to start with the basic programming thing with respect to the even and odd numbers, palindrome numbers, and the recursion, factorial of a number, and the other programs, etc., etc., in the coming videos. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more exciting videos. Thank you very much.